Alright, this is how to download and install DaVinci Resolve, fast and easy. First, look up DaVinci Resolve in your preferred search engine and head to its homepage, or go straight to blackmagicdesign.com. Then scroll down a bit until you see the option for free download now and click it. A pop-up window will offer you two versions, DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. The Studio version is the paid one, with extra features for professionals, but for most users, the regular DaVinci Resolve version is completely free and more than enough. So click the non-studio option and choose the Windows x86 version to download. Fill out the quick registration form with the required information and submit it. Then the download will either start automatically or give you a direct download link. Once it's downloaded, locate the installation file, right-click it, and select Extract here. Then open the extracted folder and launch the installation file. You'll now be offered to choose several components to install alongside DaVinci Resolve. Some of the options you'll see include things like the Visual C, ++ 2013, x64, and x86 redistributables. These help with compatibility and are important for Resolve to run properly, so I recommend leaving both of them checked. Next is DaVinci Control Panels. This one is only needed if you have physical DaVinci hardware, so if you don't, feel free to uncheck it. Then there's the Blackmagic RAW Player, which lets you preview RAW files outside of Resolve. This one is optional, but it's small and might come in handy, so I usually leave it on. And finally, there's the Fairlight Audio Accelerator utility. This is only useful if you use specialized Fairlight audio hardware, so most users can safely uncheck it. If you're not sure about these options, it's perfectly fine to leave everything checked. It won't hurt performance and ensures everything works out of the box. But if you want to keep the installation lighter and you don't use external hardware, you can uncheck DaVinci Control Panels and Fairlight Audio Accelerator utility. Once you've made your choices, click Install to begin the setup and wait for it to install all the selected components. At the end, it will install DaVinci Resolve itself as the final step. In the welcome screen, click Next. Then, to continue, you must accept the license agreement and click Next again. Here, you can change the installation path if you need to, then click Next once more. And finally, click Install. When that's all done, click Finish and OK. Before you launch DaVinci Resolve for the first time, go to your Downloads folder and delete the installation archive and the extracted installation files, because you won't need them anymore, and together they take up around 5 GB of space. Also, don't forget to empty your recycle bin to free up that space completely. Then launch the DaVinci Resolve shortcut and click Continue in the Welcome News window. Now you'll need to go through the quick setup process. Here, DaVinci will check whether your machine is capable of running the software smoothly. Once the check is complete, just click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose the video resolution you'll be working with by default. If your computer is on the lower end, maybe with integrated graphics or limited RAM, then go with standard definition. If your system has a decent modern CPU and at least 8 GB of RAM, high definition is the sweet spot for most projects like YouTube or casual editing. But if you're working with powerful hardware, especially a dedicated GPU and 16 GB or more of RAM, then feel free to select 4K for higher end video work. Pick the one that matches your system and your project needs, then click Continue to move on. Next, you'll need to select the default folder where your media files, like video clips, images, and audio, will be stored. Then click Continue again. After that, you'll see a screen asking which keyboard layout you want to use. If you're already used to another video editor, like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or Avid, you can select that layout to make shortcuts feel familiar. If you're completely new to video editing, just leave it set to DaVinci Resolve. Click Continue once you've made your choice, and you'll be taken into the main editor interface, ready to start creating. Just click Start and there it is. You're in. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.